What's the meaning of conducive? Conducive. Conducive.
Conducive. Conducive. The word conducive means making something likely or possible to happen. When a situation or environment is conducive to something, it creates favorable conditions for that thing to occur or succeed. For example, a quiet and peaceful study environment is conducive to effective learning, while a noisy and chaotic atmosphere is not. Similarly, good communication and collaboration skills are conducive to building strong relationships, while a lack of these skills can hinder relationship development. Overall, being conducive means facilitating or promoting positive outcomes by providing the right setting, conditions, or resources.